In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to make your enemy feel the pain they have caused you. Okay, that's enemy that have caused pain into your life. You can do this assignment to make them feel that same pain they have caused you. So many people have lost their marriage because of the enemy. Okay, so many women have lost their husband, their marriage because of their enemy. Same thing goes to the men. Okay, some have lost their, wife, their children because of the enemy. Some have lost their health, their finances, their business, their career, their jobs because of the enemy. Now, this enemy comes in different forms. They can come in form of your friends. They can come in form of your colleagues. They can come in form of your relative. Okay, some can go spiritual, some can go physical to make you feel pain. Okay, some you do not even do anything wrong to them. Okay, some you are just helping them, but they turn back and stab you. Okay, now this video is for you to take a revenge, for you to make them feel that pain they have caused into your life. Okay, and make sure that when you are doing this, your hands are clean. Okay, your hands are clean. You are not the one that started all this problem. Okay, so make sure that you are going to watch this video to the end. Okay, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here and this channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe to this channel, give the thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, so if you have enemies that have caused pain to your life, that have caused pain in your family, okay, some family have lost their loved ones because of the enemy. Yes, the enemy can go spiritual, they can go physical, they can set you up, they can do things that will make you lose something so precious to you. Okay, so if you want to make them feel that pain they have caused in your life, this is what you should do. Okay, I'm going to teach you the material that you need to use to make them feel the same pain. Okay, the number one material that you need to get is an ogris leaf. Let me show you. Okay, this is ogris leaf. Okay, you need to just get this leaf like this. Pluck out only one of this leaf. Okay, let me show you. You pluck out one leaf like this. On this one leaf of ogris leaf, you write the name of that your enemy. Okay, and the problem they have caused into your life. Okay, the pain they have caused into your life, you write it on the ogris leaf. Okay, but before you write all those things on this ogris leaf, you are going to dry this leaf. Okay, as you can see, this leaf is dried. Okay, it's not a fresh leaf, it's a dried leaf. You can see it very well. Okay, so you write down the name of that your enemy and you write down the problem they caused in your life. Okay, now after writing that, you get your alligator pepper, 4 seed of the alligator pepper. Now that 4 seed of alligator pepper represent the 4 corners of the earth, also the 4 days, the 4 market days. Okay, the east, the west, the north, and the south. Okay, now this 4 seed of alligator pepper, we are going to put it on this leaf. Okay, you're going to put that 4 seed of alligator pepper on the leaf. Okay, on top of that leaf. Okay, now after putting it on top of the leaf, you get salt. Salt. Okay, you get a cooking salt. Let me show you. Okay, you get a cooking salt. This is a cooking salt. Now, when you get the cooking salt, you are going to drop it on that leaf as well. Okay, you drop it on top of that leaf as well. Okay, now once you drop it on that leaf, you are going to say what you want. Okay, you call the name of that an enemy. You call the name of that enemy. Okay, and say, as you have caused this pain in my life, let this pain go back to you. Okay, as you have make me feel this pain, let this pain return back to you. Okay, this pain that you have made me feel, it will go back to you. You say whatever you want to say, you make your request. Okay, you take the universe, you take Almighty, whatever you want to say. Okay, after saying all those things, you are going to wrap that leaf together. Okay, and use something to clip it, or use a stone to drop on top of that leaf. Okay, and you are going to leave it till the next day. Okay, you leave that leaf on that floor till the next day. Okay, on the next day, you are going to open that leaf. Okay, you carry that salt and that alligator pepper, you dig a ground and you bury them. Okay, now the leaf, you are going to burn it. Okay, you burn that leaf. After burning that leaf, you are going to pack the ashes. Okay, and pour it on the road where people are normally passing. Okay, you pour that ash of that leaf on the road where people are normally passing. Okay, now once you have finished doing this, any pain that that enemy have got into your life, anything that they have made you feel, is going to go back to them, like you are going to start feeling it. Okay, that pain will come back to them. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, and by the time you need to do this assignment is in the evening. Okay, you start in the evening and leave it to the next day. Okay, before you pack out the salt and the and you get to prepare and bury it, then the leaf you burn it and pack the ashes and throw on the road where people are passing. Okay, your enemy that have caused that pain in your life will start feeling this pain. Okay, those things that they have done in your life that is making you, you know, cry, that is making you shed tears, they are going to start feeling that same thing. Okay, this is a video that you should take serious to revenge whatever thing the enemy have caused in your life that is causing you pain. Okay, whatever thing the enemy have done in your life that is causing you pain, if they have made you to lose your job, this is something that you should do, and they are going to lose their own job. If they have made you to lose your relationship, this is something that you should do, and they will also lose their relationship. If they have made you to fall sick or lose money, you should do this. Okay, they are going to feel that same pain that they have caused in your life. They are going to feel that same pain when you do this assignment. Okay, so this is something that you should practice by yourself, and your enemy will feel that same pain that they have caused in your life. Okay, so that is what you need to do. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, please use the number on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number to talk to me directly. Okay, I will reply you. And if you need any spiritual product that you want to buy or get, chat me up with the number showing on the screen. I'll make it available. Okay, so many people are going through this problem. Okay, so do this assignment and you see your enemy feeling that same pain that they have caused you, but make sure that your hands are clean. You did not commit anything evil. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.